Welcome to TechMirror, the best fuel injector cleaners to buy in 2025. Whether you want smoother engine performance, better fuel economy, or to keep your injectors spotless, these top picks have you covered. Each product has been tested for power, reliability, and value. Watch till the end to find your perfect choice, and check the links in the description for more details. Number 5. The STP Direct Injection Fuel Injector Cleaner is a high-performance solution designed to maintain and enhance the efficiency of modern engines. Contained in a 12-ounce bottle, this advanced synthetic formula is specifically crafted to dissolve hardened deposits that accumulate on injectors over time. With twice the cleaning power compared to leading premium gasoline, it ensures your fuel system remains clean, smooth, and highly efficient. Powered by potent PEA and PIBA detergents, the cleaner effectively removes harmful carbon buildup from injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. This process restores lost power, smooths idling, and improves throttle response. Additionally, the inclusion of jet fuel as a carrier ensures a high-quality blend that optimizes the delivery of active ingredients into the engine system. The STP Fuel Injector Cleaner not only boosts fuel efficiency, but also helps prevent corrosion within the fuel system, prolonging engine life. Its versatile formulation is compatible with all gasoline engines, including turbocharged, direct injection, and hybrid systems, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of vehicles. For best results, it is recommended to use this cleaner every oil change or approximately every 4,000 miles. Users have reported noticeable improvements in engine performance and fuel economy after consistent use. Many have praised its effectiveness in cleaning direct injection engines and restoring smooth operation. The STP Direct Injection Fuel Injector Cleaner stands out as a dependable and affordable option for anyone looking to maintain peak engine performance and efficiency. Number 4. The Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner is a trusted and efficient solution designed to restore and maintain optimal engine performance. Packaged in a 12-ounce bottle, this cleaner utilizes advanced chemistry to remove harmful carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Manufactured by Chevron, a brand renowned for its fuel and engine treatment innovations, this product delivers consistent results that help keep engines running smoothly and efficiently. The formula works to clean, protect, and restore the entire fuel system, which can improve fuel economy, reduce hesitation, and enhance overall engine responsiveness. By eliminating performance-robbing buildup, it helps maintain proper air-fuel balance and combustion efficiency. This not only supports smoother acceleration, but also contributes to lower emissions and longer engine life. The Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner is compatible with all gasoline engines, including those in cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Its 12-ounce size is ideal for single-tank treatments, providing measurable improvement after regular use. For ongoing maintenance, it is recommended to add one bottle every 3,000 miles or every 6 months. Users have praised its effectiveness in keeping engines clean even with infrequent vehicle use. One user shared that using it regularly in a 2017 Tacoma with low mileage helped avoid unnecessary repairs. The Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner stands as a reliable and cost-effective maintenance product that supports long-term engine health, improved performance, and consistent fuel efficiency for both new and older vehicles alike. Number 3. The Royal Purple 18,000 Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner is a premium-grade fuel system treatment formulated to enhance overall engine performance. Contained in a 6-fluid-ounce bottle, this powerful cleaner is engineered to restore fuel economy, improve engine responsiveness, and maximize horsepower output. Known for its advanced synthetic technology, Royal Purple delivers a high-quality formula that works efficiently in both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a versatile choice for various vehicle types. This fuel injector cleaner is specifically designed to remove stubborn carbon deposits and prevent the formation of new buildup within the injectors and combustion chambers. By ensuring a clean and precise fuel spray pattern, it helps engines operate more smoothly and efficiently. The Max Atomizer formula also stabilizes ethanol-blended fuels, reducing potential corrosion and maintaining optimal fuel integrity over time. Regular use of the Royal Purple 18,000 Max Atomizer helps restore lost power and smooth acceleration while reducing rough idling and misfiring. It is an excellent maintenance product for improving cold starts, maintaining consistent engine performance, and extending the lifespan of fuel system components. Users have expressed strong satisfaction with its performance, highlighting noticeable improvements in fuel efficiency and engine smoothness after use. One reviewer stated that the product worked perfectly and delivered visible results after just one treatment. The Royal Purple 18000 Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner stands as a reliable and professional-grade solution for drivers who seek enhanced power, efficiency, and long-term engine protection. Number 2. The Lucas Oil Lucy 1020 Fuel Treatment is a highly trusted and widely used additive designed to enhance the performance and longevity of both gasoline and diesel engines. Contained in a 5.25-ounce multicolored bottle, this fuel treatment provides a complete tune-up in a single application. Renowned as the world's #1 fuel additive, it effectively cleans, lubricates, and protects vital fuel system components, including injectors, carburetors, and combustion chambers. Its powerful formula improves fuel economy by promoting cleaner and more complete combustion, which helps burn off excess exhaust emissions. By removing harmful carbon deposits and preventing the buildup of new ones, it ensures a smoother engine operation with increased power and acceleration. The Lucas Oil Fuel Treatment also neutralizes sulfur and other contaminants that can cause corrosion, protecting the engine and fuel system from long-term wear. This versatile additive is safe for use in all types of engines and complies with federal low sulfur content requirements. It even serves as a safe replacement for lead in older engines, providing protection without harmful side effects. User experiences strongly support its effectiveness. One satisfied customer reported an 8 to 10% improvement in fuel efficiency in older Lexus vehicles, noting smoother performance and stronger freeway acceleration. The cost savings from increased mileage easily offset the product's price. The Lucas Oil Lucy 1020 Fuel Treatment remains a reliable and proven solution for drivers seeking improved performance, cleaner operation, and extended engine life. Number 1. The Hotshot Secret Gasoline Extreme is a premium-grade concentrated fuel system cleaner engineered to restore and maintain peak engine performance. Packaged in a 12-ounce bottle, this advanced liquid formula is designed to clean, lubricate, and protect every vital component of a gasoline engine, including valves, injectors, pumps, pistons, rings, and upper cylinders. It delivers a complete system treatment that not only cleans, but also enhances overall efficiency and reliability. By removing stubborn carbon deposits, gum, and varnish buildup, this cleaner improves fuel combustion and helps the engine run more smoothly. It can increase fuel economy by up to 7.9%, offering noticeable improvements in miles per gallon, power, and throttle response. The Hotshot's Secret Gasoline Extreme is particularly effective at addressing common engine issues such as rough idling, reduced acceleration, and clogged injectors, often delivering visible results after a single treatment. The formula features powerful PEA technology, known for its deep cleaning properties that dissolve internal deposits and restore lost performance. Regular use promotes cleaner combustion, reduced emissions, and a longer engine lifespan. Its easy application requires only one 12-ounce bottle for every 20 gallons of fuel, making it simple to incorporate into regular maintenance routines. Users have praised its outstanding results, with one reviewer noting that it restored acceleration power in a 2020 Nissan and delivered remarkable cleaning effectiveness. The Hotshot Secret Gasoline Extreme stands out as a scientifically engineered, performance-driven solution that keeps engines cleaner, smoother, and more efficient. Thank you for watching our video on the best fuel injector cleaners to buy in 2025. Keeping your engine clean and efficient has never been easier with these top-rated products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and updates. Check the links in the description to get your preferred fuel injector cleaner today.